fruit as that no! You never could see it. You could see it.
One of these days we're gonna meet again. The people from different nations, one of these fine days we're gonna meet again. One of these days we'll meet again. I'm pressing on right now. I know the day will come when every man faces judgment. So do it the right things. Make sure your heart's in the right place. To see that the hungry be fed, the naked clothes and the and the homeless should have a place to rest their weary heads. I know. That's the way life should be. That's the way life should be. Hey, how long must we stand and watch injustice rule over the people? There must be a way, for good must overcome evil. Like Noah in the ark, trust the shadow after dark, get it together. It's plain to see, enough blessings for you and me. I got you all time for it. That's the way life should be. 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 Hey, Erica, what's wrong with you and us? Remember you were best friends just a couple weeks back. Now you're threatening each other to burn and chop. Now I'm saying this madness must stop. Why should you fuss and fight when you know it's not right? Why are you fussing and fighting? Why should you do love me, baby, like the way I do? Do you really love me like the way I want you to?
Well, is
Love me, baby, like the way I do. Do you really love me like the way I want you to? Sometimes I wonder if this love we have is true. And when I see your face, I don't know what to do. Sight to see, I watched it from across the room with eyes as bright as gold and moon. Incredible the things you play, so gracefully by this way. I'd like to think that you're alone. Maybe I could escort you home. I see the glasses more and more each time I look at eyes make more. Is this a sign? Oh, is this a sign? Is this a sign that you're giving me? Is your heart saying what your body's doing? Is this a sign that I'm picking up? Is your heart saying what your body's wishing on?